Hi friends, today we are going to draw this beautiful bird with pencil. We'll begin with a line like this to see where our bird will be. Now the main shape of the head with just a few straight lines like this. Okay, we are using an HB pencil for this step of the drawing. Now we have the shape of the head, and now the shape of the body. How we made it? With curves. Like we will be drawing an egg. Yes, an egg. Because the body of a bird is an oval. Okay. To draw small curves like this, you can take advantage of the natural movement of your hand, like this. Okay? When you move your hand, you draw curves. Okay? Let's continue. The eye will be located in this cross. You see? The eyes of the birds are very dark and very rounded. Okay. A little trick when we draw the sketch of a drawing is to use an HB pencil that it is not very sharp, so it will be much easier to erase it later. Okay. As if we were sculpting a piece of clay, we must gradually refine the silhouettes that we have drawn at the beginning. That is the first we draw silhouettes and shapes in their places and measurements. And when we have them, and we are satisfied, we will refine them and erase the lines that no longer need to guide us. Okay? Now, very black the eye, but with a white point to reflect light and see that it is alive. With a regular eraser, we just clean our drawing. Okay. Now begin with more and more details, but now we must sharp the point of our pencil to make details easier and clearer and sharper. Okay. As you can see, this video is recorded in real time. And we are using just one pencil, okay? This is regular paper, photocopy paper of 80 grams, sorry, and a regular eraser. The objective of this tutorial, the goal of this tutorial, is to learn to draw a realistic bird with only basic materials that we can have at home. Remember that in alternate weeks I will be uploading more chapters of the drawing course from scratch, and in the other weeks I will continue to upload various drawing and painting tutorials like this one. Never get overwhelmed when drawing. It is preferable to stop the video by pausing or put it in slower mode in the YouTube options. The important thing, the main thing, is to reach the goal. It's not to reach it quickly, but to reach the goal. Okay? Later, you will see that I use a brush and something that is like a black powder. The brush is a regular soft brush of any type. The powder is called graphite powder. You can buy it in cans, like mine, but you can also make it at home. It is enough to scrape the lid of a pencil with a cutter or something sharp. The dust that falls is graphite powder, and you can use it exactly the same as the one you buy. Remember, always draw and paint with the best materials you can get, but you never stop drawing because you are missing something. You must learn to draw everything you can with what you have and where you are, and thus you will become the artists that you are destined to be since you were born. We are going now to start drawing darker tones subtly to achieve contrast and definition. We will use the same HB pencil. In order to achieve these darker tones, you have to draw in layers. Do not try to achieve black tones from the first stroke. Go drawing layer after layer, always drawing very gently so that the paper does not saturate, and so you can continue adding graphite. Also, in each layer, remember to sharpen the pencil lid very well, since it is easier to achieve dark tones this way. And each time, in each layer, draw with shorter and shorter strokes, so that the graphite is deposited layer by layer in the pores of the paper, and so you will achieve darker and darker tones with just one pencil. Remember that you can see this same tutorial in Spanish in my other channel, Arte Vivo y Divertido, and here I leave you the link above in case you want to visit it. Okay? As the whole tutorial is very visual, I leave you alone so that you can draw at your own pace. Before I go, I suggest that if you have not done so yet, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so that YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. But above all, be very happy, draw and paint a lot, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye!